If you're setting up an off-grid cabin, converting a van, or simply looking to cut water use at home, a composting toilet is one of the most practical solutions available. Today we're covering 5 of the best options on Amazon right now. 1. Nature's Head Self-Contained. Nature's Head is the most reviewed composting toilet on Amazon, and it has earned that position through a combination of durable construction and straightforward operation that holds up across years of daily use. The toilet separates urine and solids at the point of deposit. Urine collects in a 2.2-gallon bottle that typically needs emptying every 2 to 3 days for one person, or daily for 2. Solids drop into the lower composting chamber, where a spider-style hand crank agitates the material with peat moss or coconut coir, the composting medium that manages odor and accelerates breakdown. For 2 full-time users, the solids chamber handles approximately 60 to 80 uses before it needs emptying, which works out to roughly 4 to 6 weeks. The hardware throughout, hinges, bolts, fasteners, is stainless steel. In a humid bathroom, van, or marine environment, stainless steel resists the corrosion that causes plastic hardware to crack and fail over time. A 12-volt continuous ventilation fan draws just 0.07 amps, which is low enough to run indefinitely off a small solar setup without meaningfully draining your battery bank. Nature's Head is backed by a 5-year warranty and manufactured in the USA. It is best suited for full-time van lifers, sailboat owners, tiny home dwellers, as an off-grid cabin users who want a proven, long-term composting toilet with strong brand support. 2. OGIO Origin Composting Toilet. The OGIO Origin addresses the most common complaint about composting toilets, the hand crank, by replacing it with a 12-volt electric agitator motor that runs a 45-second automated cycle at the press of a single button. That distinction matters in daily use. With a hand crank design, you need to reach down and physically rotate the agitator after each solid use. The OGIO eliminates that step entirely. Press the button, the motor agitates, and you're done. For couples or anyone who finds the manual process inconvenient, this is a meaningful quality of life improvement. The urine separator uses a patented trapdoor mechanism that opens when in use and closes between uses, reducing odor crossover between the liquid and solid chambers. The 2.4-gallon urine bottle includes an LLED level indicator on the exterior of the unit. You can see at a glance how full it is without opening anything. At 15 inches wide and 16 inches deep, the OGIO has one of the smallest footprints of any composting toilet on the market. For a Sprinter van or Class B camper where floor space is calculated carefully, that compact base makes installation possible in spots where Nature's Head will not fit. The OGIO Origin is best suited for van lifers and compact RV owners who want electric agitation, a small footprint, and a more hands-off daily experience. 3. Separett Villa 9215. The Separett Villa 9215 is designed for permanent installation in a cabin, tiny home, accessory dwelling unit, or any structure where a conventional flush toilet is impractical or unavailable. The most practical feature that separates it from every other product on this list is the external urine drain line. Rather than collecting urine in an internal bottle that needs regular manual emptying, the Villa 9215 routes urine through a drain line to a gray water system, leach field, or external holding tank. For a cabin used by multiple people, eliminating the urine bottle removes one of the most frequent maintenance tasks associated with composting toilets. The solids container holds a 6-gallon liner bag and uses an automatic rotation mechanism. The drum rotates slightly every time you stand up, which distributes material without any manual intervention. For a holiday property with 5 people, the solids container typically needs emptying every 4 to 6 weeks. No bulking material such as peat moss or coconut coir is required. The unit runs on both 110 volts, AC household power, and 12 volts, DC solar or battery power, making it equally suitable for a grid-connected cabin and a fully off-grid build. A continuous ventilation fan manages odor at all times. The toilet is engineered and manufactured in Sweden, where Separett has been producing waterless sanitation systems for over 50 years. The Villa 9215 is best suited for cabin owners, tiny home builders, and residential off-grid users who want a permanently installed, low-maintenance composting system. 4. Sunmar Excel Non-Electric. The Sunmar Excel NE is the only composting toilet on this list that requires absolutely no power source, no 12-volt fan, no electric agitator, no heater, as it operates entirely without electricity, making it the most suitable option for locations with no solar or grid connection. Instead of a fan, the Excel NE uses a 4-inch chimney-style vent pipe that draws air through the unit via natural convection. Warm air inside the composting chamber rises and exits through the vent, pulling fresh air in from the room and carrying odor out with it. The composting process happens inside a rotating biodrum, a cylindrical chamber that you turn every other day using an external handle to aerate the material. The 3-chamber system separates the process into distinct stages. Active composting happens in the drum. Finishing composting happens in a lower tray where material cures further. A liquid evaporates through a base heater if AC power is optionally connected, or drains through an emergency fitting if not. The result is a more complete composting process than single-chamber units can deliver. The Sunmar Excel NE holds the NSF Standard 41 certification, an independent third-party certification from the National Sanitation Foundation that verifies the unit meets measurable composting performance standards. It was the first self-contained composting toilet in the world to earn this certification. At 60 pounds, it is the heaviest unit on this list and requires a 4-inch vent pipe installation. The Excel NE is best suited for remote cabin owners, rural properties, and off-grid builds with no reliable power source where a certified, fully non-electric composting system is needed. 5. BOXIO Portable Separating Toilet. The BOXIO is the simplest composting toilet on this list. It weighs 6.2 pounds, requires no power, no venting, no installation, and no chemicals. You can set it up anywhere in under 5 minutes. Like the other units on this list, the BOXIO separates urine and solids at the point of deposit. Urine collects in a 1.3-gallon canister that can be emptied down any standard drain. Solids drop into a biodegradable liner bag. Each bag handles 8 to 10 uses before it is tied off and disposed of in regular household waste. No composting medium such as peat moss is required, though adding a small amount of wood shavings or similar material helps with odor and absorption. At its price point, well under $200, the BOXIO delivers the core functionality of urine separation and odor control that defines the composting toilet category without the fan, the agitator, or the ventilation pipe. It is built from regionally recycled polypropylene in Germany and supports up to 330 pounds. The BOXIO is not a long-term residential solution for full-time heavy use. Its small solids capacity is designed for intermittent use. But for weekend campers, festival goers, van conversion beginners, or anyone who wants to try a separating toilet before committing to a permanent install, it delivers exactly what it promises at a fraction of the cost of full composting systems. The BOXIO is best suited for part-time campers, van lifers on a budget, and anyone testing the concept of waterless sanitation before investing in a permanent unit.